Hey, how's it going? You won't believe what happened to me today. I was working at the TOU residence when a coworker of mine had an outburst at me. I was on shift working on some large promotional materials for a current event we have going on when my coworker walked in and said she needed to work on some things too. When she decided to yell at me, "Why don't you just move somewhere else?" This startled me, and the moment I decided to fire back. I said, "I was here first, and since this is a common area, you can find somewhere else to work." This caused tension in the room with some of the other coworkers. It got awkwardly silent for a bit, and when no one in the room said anything, eventually she made a large, exasperated sigh and stormed off. I was too angry at the moment to do anything about it, but I looked to some coworkers for advice. They stated that she was in the wrong for having an outburst, but looked to some, but I could have moved as well to avoid the confrontation. I took some time to think about the situation and what I can do. Eventually, some of my coworkers stepped in to help mediate the situation. I talked about how I would have gladly moved if she asked me to, but but I went with my anger and stayed there out of spite just because of her outburst. She explained her outburst was the cause of her day and not really the situation, and she regretted making it. We talked a bit about how we can be mindful of the space and if we have an issue, on how to resolve it more logically. Overall, I think it went alright, but maybe I should work with not getting upset when people start a conversation with me. It's hard not to get upset right away when someone gets upset at you, but if I could work on it, I would really work on my conflict resolution skills. I have to realize look beyond being upset with the situation and look towards making a better workplace for myself and my coworkers. Well, anyway, I have to get going, but thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.